Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are good and doing well. So in this lecture, I'm again come with the another assignment, which is the assignment 3, and this assignment also contains two tasks. Okay, but before explaining these tasks, I would like to tell you that the previous four tasks I closed here. Okay, so you can see that these are the four closed issue, and two of the first tasks like this add status to job and fix on-site typo across the application are done and merged in the base branch, which is the main branch. Okay, but for these two branches I just created the PRs. Okay, and you can see that these are the open pull requests here. Okay, so I did not close these PRs. Okay, but what I would like to do that, what you can do that you can just go to the code. Okay, and take the clone from master branch and then come here at the issue list, and then you can perform all the issues and these two. Okay, because I haven't merged these branches at master so far. Okay, so you can perform the task and go through the video lectures like how you can do or what how I am doing these. Okay, and then in the next week, after a week, I will merge these tickets into the main branch. Okay, so after that you can, if you take the pull of the master branch, then these two tasks doesn't matter because it will be already done on the branch. Okay, now let me discuss about the two open issues for this assignment number 3. Okay, so first assignment is like allow companies to edit and destroy the jobs. Okay, so here you can see that right now companies can create and view jobs. We need the ability to companies to destroy and edit the job as well. Okay, for example, here you can see that come to the companies, company jobs. Okay, so here you can see when you go to the post new job and submit all the required details, you can create the job. Okay, and here you can view the jobs. Okay, but this on the main branch, the view job feature is only working for the public view, not for the company view. But you can check out the task and uh, pull request as well for this. But only create and view features are available for the company jobs. Okay, now what we need to do here, that companies can edit their jobs as well, they can destroy their jobs as well. Okay, so this is mentioned in this first task of this assignment. And the another task of this assignment is that display only active jobs on the public view and search results. Okay, so here now let me take you to the root page. Okay, so wait, sorry, come to the root page. So here you can see that we have 503 remote jobs and 498 on-site jobs. When you go here, regardless of the status of the jobs are visible here. Few of the jobs has the status as draft, and some of the jobs might have status as inactive, but they are still visible here. But what we needed to accomplish this task is that here, sorry, this task, that only jobs with status active should be visible on the public view or as the job seeker view. Okay, but companies can see all their jobs regardless of the status. If the status is active, companies can see the job. If status is inactive, companies can see the job. And if status is draft, companies can see the jobs, but only their jobs, not the other companies inactive or draft jobs. Okay, but active jobs of the other companies they can also see. So we need to aid this filtering, and we need to implement some queries filter for that. Okay, so this is the task that you need to do. Now these are the tasks that I explained. Now it depends upon you that how you want to perform it, but make sure that what you need to do, that let me take you through the issues first. So to complete this issue, you first need to complete this task, that is it show template for the company jobs. Okay, because in this task we are allowing company to view their jobs within their scope. Okay, or view their jobs with the company name is within the company namespace. Okay, then you need to start on this one. Okay, and after completing this you need to start on this one. Okay, so and you can also check out this pull request as well, which are open for the task number 3 and 4. Okay, so show template task for the company jobs is here, that you can find, you can go to the file changed and so on. You can also follow the lecture as well. Okay, in the playlist, and then we will discuss about the upcoming task. Okay, so for this lecture, that's it. Here we need to discuss the assignment 3, which contains two tasks. Okay, and both tasks are now open. Okay, so make sure to check out the main branch, pull it or clone it if you are watching it first time. So clone it and then try to perform these tasks, and we will meet into another lecture where we will step by step solve all these tasks. Okay, and create the feature branches as well. Okay, so that's all for this lecture, and we will meet in another lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, stay safe.